you are doing and how you are helping others, that makes your life meaningful. So welcome to today's class, children. So here on the screen, hope you can see some words: happiness, sadness, excitement, humor, risk, sacrifice, prosperity, poverty, comfort, sickness, etc. So what do these words signify? Means what is the meaning, or how you can, you will define these words, or where can you find these words? All of us may have gone through some of these emotions, isn't it? Happiness, we all have happiness, sadness, excitement, and sometimes we have humor also. Take risk sometimes, we sacrifice something for somebody. Then we are prosperous, sometimes we face poverty, we are comfortable, and sometimes we face sickness also, isn't it? So all of us may have gone through some of these emotions. Life is a mixture of all these ingredients. Life is not always happy, life is not always sad, it is not excitement always or humor. We have different emotions in our life. So now we are going to the memory poem, Life. So this is the first poem and it is also the memory poem. And the poet is Henry Van Dyke. So the poet starts the poem by asking us to live his life. That is, he wants to live his life as he likes. So let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. What do you mean by unreluctant? Unreluctant is without any worry or just easy. Not hurrying to, nor turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. So we may have many goals. So here, what the poet is saying is, I'm just easygoing. I have a goal, but I'm not in a hurry to reach the goal. And I don't want to mourn. Mourn means become sad. I don't want to mourn for the things that disappear. So sometimes we may achieve something, sometimes we may not. Or what we have got may get lost also. But the poet says that he doesn't want to get disappointed by the things he has lost, nor he is in a hurry to reach his goal. Look at the next line. In the dim past, nor holding back in fear. He may have not a very good past. In the past, there may be so many worries which he came through. So he is not worried. He doesn't want to worry about what happened in the past, nor holding also nor holding back in fear. That means he doesn't want to working, fear about the past, what happened in the past. Maybe he may have become unsuccessful in some of his endeavors, but now he doesn't want to look at those things, look at his unsuccessful deeds. He just want to go forward from what the future wails, but with a whole and happy heart. He wants to look at the future with a happy heart and with a positive attitude that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. So he wanted to put his effort fruitfully towards his future. He doesn't want to worry about the past. In the present, what he is trying to do is put his effort in a positive way to travel on, to go forward, and it is with cheerfully, happily he wants to go forward to reach his goal. He is in no hurry. He doesn't worry about his past, and he wants to put his all his efforts in a positive way for a good future. So let the way wind uphill or down. So you can see let the way wind uphill or down. That means he compares life to a hill where there are so many ups and downs. So he says that if even though there are so many ups and downs, what do you mean ups and downs? Ups and downs means sorrow and happiness. And so the poet wants to say that even though there are so many difficulties or there are easy times, so let the way wind up the hill or down, or rough or smooth. Let the path be rough or smooth. The journey will be joy. So I'm going to enjoy the journey. Whatever obstacle comes, I'm going to overcome it with a pleasant mind, with a positive attitude. Still seeking what I sought when butter boiled. Still seeking. He had so many dreams when he was boy. That he wanted new friendship. That is, he's still seeking that. Even though he has not achieved that everything together, he just want to travel on and want to seek all that he wanted when he was a boy. What all he wanted when he was a boy? New friendship, high adventure, and a crown. Crown is, what do you mean by a crown? Crown is what a king wears on his head, isn't it? A king wears on his head is a crown. Here, crown means the reward. What reward the person gets after achieving success. Okay, so new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest. So I am not going to get disappointed by any thing which is coming, any obstacle or any what do you say that any difficulties which is coming on my way. I'm not going to get upset by all these difficulties or obstacles on my way. I'm going to keep the courage of the quest. Quest means search. That is. So my heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. And he hopes that the road's last turn, I'm going on my way, and in my life, even the last turn may be the best. So I have the determination to move forward, as well as I have the hope that the road's last turn, the life turn, next turn will be the best for me. Okay, so that was the poem. We'll just recall it once more. So let me put it in a tune so that it will be easy for you to learn. Okay. Let me but live my life from year to year, with forward face and unrelaxed soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. In the dim past, not holding back in fear from what the future will, but with the whole and happy heart that pays its soul to youth and age and travels on with cheer. So let the way wind up the hill or down. Over a forest smooth the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I thought when but a boy. New friendship, high adventure, and the crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest, and hope the road's last turn will be the best, and hope that the road's last turn will be the best. Okay, so this you can memorize, and here, see, if you look, so let the way wind up the hill or down. Over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. So what we have to learn from this is, even though there are so many difficulties, what we have to do? We must always keep the courage to overcome those difficulties and go on our path in a positive way. We have to have a positive attitude. Okay. See, if you now, the activities what we are having is, you have to memorize the poem, right? You have the poem with you. You have to memorize the poem. Then answer the book back question. That is line by line. There will be, you read the given lines and answer the questions. Last year you have learned, isn't it? That from the lines, the questions will be asked and you have to answer it. So if you have understood the poem, you'll be able to answer it properly. Okay. Then you have to write the memory poem and learn it. Okay. Just one more slide. See, there are 3 C's of life. That is choice, chance, and changes. You must make a choice to take a chance, or your life will never change. When you make a choice, you must make the right choice. And maybe sometimes it may be like taking a chance. You have to take some risk. Otherwise, your life will never change. It will remain the same. You cannot bring changes in your life, right? So shall we recite the poem once more? Yes? Okay. So let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. Unreluctant. What is the meaning of that? Unreluctant? Without any, that is taking it easy. With forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to nor turning from the goal. That means we need not be in a hurry that we have to reach the goal somehow. It must be in the right path. It must be in the right way. And you should not turn away from the goal also. You must have the goal in your mind always. Whatever you're going to prepare to achieve that goal. So with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to nor turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear. So we may face so many difficulties, as well as we may have been unsuccessful in some of our activity. But you must not become sad. Not mourning for the mourning means becoming sad. Not mourning for the things that disappear. So some things we will not be able to achieve, but you should not become sad on it. Try to achieve it. In the dim past, nor holding back in fear. So there may be so many experiences which you don't like in your past, but you have to not fear about it. You have to learn from them. Instead of becoming afraid of that, you have to, what you have to do? You have to, yes, you have to look in a, you should not fear about that. You have to look in the brighter side of it and learn from it, from what the future will. So you have a very good future. You have to keep in your mind that you have a very good future. So you should not go back to your past, which may not be that much successful. In the present, you have to be very positive minded, and you have to look all the things from the positive side of it, from what the future will, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its soul. So you must be in a very happy mood. Okay, the happy heart that pays its soul through youth and age. So only if your mind is happy and it is peaceful, you can go through the path to achieve your goal. Youth and age, and travels on with cheer. And how you travel? With cheer, with happiness. So let the way wind up the hill or down. Let the way wind up. Even let the way be rough or smooth, uphill or downhill. That is difficult or easy. Uphill or downhill means uphill, easy. Downhill, difficult. So let the way wind up hill or down. So when you are climbing a hill, while climbing you feel difficult, isn't it? While climbing you feel difficult. When you get down, it is easy to get down, isn't it? So easy and difficult. So let the way be uphill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. If you go, let the way be rough or smooth, the journey will be happy. It will be filled with happiness. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy. Still I am seeking the things which I thought when I was a boy I had to achieve. So what I had to achieve, I am still seeking for that. Seeking means searching for that. New friendship. So what I was searching for? New friendship, high adventure. My life should not be ordinary. It should have high adventure. And after finishing the adventure, after successfully finishing the adventure, what we will get? We'll get a reward, isn't it? That is the crown, a crown. My heart will keep the courage of success and hope the road's last turn will be the best. So for me, I have a hope. My hope, that is my hope is very good for the future. And I hope that the road's last turn will be the best. So again, I'm not going to stop with what I have got. Again, I am going to pick another target and go towards the goal and reach the goal and become successful. Okay. So that is what the poet is trying to say. So what is the name of the poet? Yes. Henry Van Dyke. So hope you all understood the poem. Yes. Do you have, see, if you look at what you have in your life, you'll always have more. Okay. What you have in your life, if you look at what all you have, you will have more. But if you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. So this is a quotation which tells how to look positively towards life. If you think that you have nothing in your life, you may not have. That is always you will feel that you don't have anything. But if you think that what all you have, then you can you'll have more. You can get more. You will have more because you're looking at life in a positive way. Okay, right. So hope by this time, it is a very small poem, very simple poem. You may have at least 4 lines you may have memorized, isn't it? Have you? 4 lines. It's easy. Just by 2 days, you can memorize the whole poem. Write it and learn. Yes, good. Write it and learn, and then you can submit it. Right? Without seeing, you have to be honest. Without seeing, you have to write the poem and show it to me. Right? Okay. So last time the lesson. Are you going through the lesson? If you have downloaded the book, you might have known what to do. There are questions and the answers.